Welcome back to another Matthumanpizza video. This video is a 1997 Ford Aspire, and the part is way back here on the engine bay, right here. So you pull that thing down, you have to pull it down, and then it's inside the... So you take off the sleeve, it's just a rubber sleeve, and here you are.
Shin Woo, why have you forsaken us?
Shinwoo. H450 DC 12 volt 30 amp N.O. Shinwoo. And then you can detach that from the electrical connection right here, right there. So detach that, use a screwdriver or a flathead or something to push that in. And I guess I'll do that right now. Try to do it with one hand. I have a tripod, but it's inside, so you just have to bear with me. This is a Matthumanpizza, and alright, so I shoved the screwdriver right in here and I was able to loosen that, and now that pops off and there goes the rubber part. Anyway, so here you go, 7B20, and then there's just the electrical connection. Bonus. Alright, to remove a spark plug, it's best to use a specific kind of socket. This socket has you can't see it, but it has a rubber
It has a rubber sleeve.
Whole rubber type sleeve inside, so it doesn't damage the spark plug. This one's just about ready to come out, and so you just detach the plug going to your spark plug, and then this one might come out a little odd. I can probably grab it with my hand now, but so I'd rather use my gloves, but whatever. Oh, there's the top of the boot. See, I'm getting my... Alright. There's that spark plug. There we go. About time it focuses. Alright. Alright, there's all the spark plugs. And you can tell the quality of your car just by looking at the spark plug collars and the gap distance and all that jazz. So I'm going to shove it up here.
Well, this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great and wonderful day.